everyone and welcome to Theme Park Explorer. Today we're going to be looking at the Splish Splash Room. So here it is. Here's the entrance. Now this has been a room I've wanted to stay in for a while. Apologies, we have put some stuff in. So we start off here with the mirrors. There's a few mirrors, a bookcase, the fan there in case it gets warm, then a drawer, nothing here. And over here is the bunk bed. So I mean these kind of remind me of, I don't know if you know the Minecraft beds. They remind me of those. See, there's one below. Moving on over here, we have a safe. What it does also pull out as a bed. Apologies, the lighting isn't the best in here. And then we have a duck. So if you haven't guessed already, this is themed to the Flume ride, what used to be here. It's a log flume if you don't know. Then over here is the big bed, the main bed. So it's themed to one of the bathtubs, what you've going on the rides. And it has a curtain, shower. Then moving into here, we have the bedding for the sofa over there. Then in here is a very large bathroom. So you can see there I am. So you have two sinks, shavers only port, mirror, towel, a separate shower, another mirror. There's the toilet. I haven't looked in there yet, so we'll see. Clean. And the bath, which is here. So it is a jacuzzi bath. So there are the controls. I haven't played with it around yet. I don't know if we are going to. Then you have the towels freshly washed. And then up here you have like a starlight pattern. I'll show you in the shower. See, there's the shower. Then moving on out, past the bed we have a chair. It's extremely low down. And then a lamp and things over here. There's another mirror. And then here's the view. You can see, we can see the CBeebies Land Hotel and the lake with another fan there pointing towards the big bed. So I assume you'd have to probably move this netting out of the way. And then you have a TV here. These two bins, don't know why you need two bins. And then over here on the bunk bed, you have lights, which I think is pretty cool. And I think the room is very nice. I have wanted to stay in this room for a long time because it's themed around to the Flume, which has always been my dream kind of. Well, it's the ride I've liked the most. See, the only thing I noticed straight away when walking in here is looks like it's a sticker on the ceiling. Oh, it's a duck. Okay, I'll forgive it. Over here, there's some detail. So it is a very nice room. Then this is and when you open the door, see if it works. Yes, you can hear not the Flume music, but air in here. I haven't figured out a way to turn that off, but there it is. And just yeah, so you do get a mini fridge, and there's your coffee and tea. And in the fridge you get some chocolate. I assume this is all included, and some water. So that's nice to know. So tea is included. And here, this board is for this on the floor. So you can play some sort of twister. So you can spin it. Oh, that worked well. You can spin it and you put your left hand on a shelf. You see, you've got the thing on. I believe this is on max. Yes, that's what makes the effect from the jacuzzi.